Got a chip in your windshield? Let's turn that frown upside down. At Tempe Auto Glass Repair, we know how important your car is to you. Whether it's a tiny chip or a major crack, our expert team is ready to get you back on the road safely and quickly. Why choose us? Simple. We use only the highest quality materials, ensuring your new windshield is just as strong as the original. Plus, our technicians are top-notch, with years of experience under their belts. But don't just take our word for it. Check out this 5-star review. See? Our customers love us. With fast, friendly service and competitive prices, it's no wonder we're the best in Tempe AZ. Need a fix now? Visit our website at tempeautoglassrepair.com or give us a call at 480-653-8689. Remember, a safe car is a happy car. So next time your windshield needs some TLC, think Tempe Auto Glass Repair. We've got you covered.